A spotless windshield is crucial for safe driving, but finding the right windshield cleaner tool can be tricky. Streaks, smudges, and hard-to-reach spots can obstruct your view and create hazards. Today, we'll explore the top 5 windshield cleaner tools that promise to make cleaning effortless, effective, and streak-free. Whether you're tackling bugs, dirt, or grime, these tools will keep your windshield crystal clear and improve your driving safety. Let's jump in. Kicking off our list at number 1, RainX Cleaning Tool. The RainX Cleaning Tool is a specialized windshield cleaner designed to enhance the performance of the popular RainX water repellent treatment. This tool combines a microfiber cleaning pad with an ergonomic handle, enabling precise and thorough cleaning of glass surfaces before treatment application. Key features: the tool features a dual-sided microfiber pad, one side for scrubbing stubborn dirt and the other for polishing. The handle is lightweight yet sturdy, allowing comfortable use and control. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver on curved windshields, reaching tight corners and edges efficiently. Benefits and usage: using the RainX cleaning tool ensures that your windshield is perfectly prepped for RainX treatments, maximizing water beading and visibility during rain. It removes grime, road film, and other contaminants without scratching the glass. Its dual-pad system enables a deep clean and polished finish, reducing the risk of streaks. Usability: the ergonomic handle offers excellent grip and comfort, allowing for extended use without fatigue. Its microfiber pads are machine washable, making maintenance simple. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a casual cleaner, this tool's design encourages quick and efficient windshield cleaning. Durability: made with durable plastic and high-quality microfiber, the RainX cleaning tool holds up well with repeated use. The microfiber pads maintain their texture after multiple washes, and the handle withstands typical wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting performance for your windshield cleaning needs. In the second spot, we have Meguiar's Glass Cleaner. Meguiar's Glass Cleaner is a well-known product that comes with a specialized cleaning tool designed to enhance the cleaner's effectiveness. The combination delivers professional-grade results, ensuring your windshield remains spotless and free from streaks or haze. Key features: this cleaning tool incorporates a microfiber applicator pad, comfortable grip handle for easy use. The cleaner itself is ammonia-free and safe for all tinted windows. It breaks down tough road grime, fingerprints, and smudges quickly without leaving residue. Benefits and usage: Meguiar's Glass Cleaner, when paired with its tool, provides a streak-free shine with minimal effort. The tool helps evenly distribute the cleaner and buffs away impurities effectively. This results in enhanced visibility, which is essential for safe driving under all weather conditions. Usability: the lightweight and ergonomic design of the applicator makes it easy to hold and maneuver across the windshield surface. The microfiber pad can be detached and washed, promoting hygiene and reusability. The tool is also compact enough to store in your glove compartment for on-the-go cleaning. Durability: the construction of the cleaning tool uses durable plastic materials and resilient microfiber that withstands regular cleaning routines. The microfiber pad maintains its cleaning efficiency even after repeated washes, and the handle shows no signs of cracking or wear, assuring long-term usability. Coming in at number 3 is the Stoner Glass Cleaner. Stoner Glass Cleaner is a professional-grade windshield cleaning solution paired with a high-quality cleaning tool designed to tackle tough grime and smudges. It is favored by many detailers for its ability to deliver crystal-clear glass surfaces quickly and easily. Key features: the cleaning tool features a soft microfiber pad with a sturdy handle designed for firm grip and optimal pressure control. The glass cleaner formula is alcohol and ammonia-free, safe for all glass types including tinted windows, and effectively dissolves dirt and grease without streaking. Benefits and usage: this tool and cleaner combo is perfect for deep cleaning, removing stubborn bug splatters, road grime, and oily films. The microfiber pad lifts contaminants without scratching, and the cleaner evaporates fast, reducing drying time. The result is a spotless windshield with enhanced clarity. Usability: ergonomically designed for easy handling, the tool reduces wrist fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. The microfiber pad is removable and washable, allowing for repeated use without loss of effectiveness. This makes it ideal for both professional detailers and regular car owners. Durability: Stoner's cleaning tool is built with durable components designed to resist wear. The handle remains sturdy even after months of frequent use, and the microfiber pad retains its texture and cleaning power after many washes, ensuring you get consistent performance. Taking our fourth spot is Griot's Garage Glass Tool. Griot's Garage Glass Tool is a premium windshield cleaning accessory developed to deliver professional-level cleaning results. It is designed to work with a variety of glass cleaners and is especially effective at removing stubborn deposits on windshields. Key features: the tool features a plush microfiber cleaning pad attached to a comfortable, non-slip handle for maximum control. The design allows for easy cleaning of curved and flat glass surfaces alike. Its pad material is engineered to pick up dirt and dust without scratching. Benefits and usage: with the Griot's Garage Glass Tool, users can achieve a streak-free finish effortlessly. The microfiber pad grips dirt effectively, while the ergonomic handle allows for consistent pressure, making it easier to clean hard-to-reach areas. This ensures a crystal-clear windshield and improved driving safety. Usability: the tool is lightweight, making it comfortable for prolonged use, and its design helps reduce hand fatigue. The microfiber pad is removable and machine washable, allowing you to maintain the tool's cleaning performance over time. It's suitable for both professional detailers and car enthusiasts. Durability: constructed from high-quality plastics and microfiber materials, the tool withstands frequent use and washing. The handle remains strong without cracking, and the microfiber pad keeps its plush texture after many cleaning cycles, providing long-lasting value. And finally, at number 5, we have Chemical Guy's Glass Cleaner. Chemical Guy's Glass Cleaner pairs a powerful cleaning formula with a precision-engineered cleaning tool to deliver superior windshield cleaning results. This duo is known for tackling tough dirt while leaving glass crystal clear and streak-free. Key features: the cleaning tool includes a high-density microfiber pad that traps dirt and grime efficiently. The cleaner is ammonia-free, safe for tinted windows, and formulated to remove fingerprints, road grime, and smoke residue without haze or streaks. Benefits and usage: using this Chemical Guy's tool and cleaner provides an easy solution to maintaining spotless windshields. The microfiber pad works well on curved and flat surfaces, allowing thorough cleaning of edges and corners. The cleaner's fast evaporating formula speeds up the process, saving time. Usability: the tool is designed with user comfort in mind, featuring a non-slip grip and balanced weight. The microfiber pad is detachable and machine washable, making it convenient for repeated use. This setup is ideal for anyone seeking professional quality cleaning at home. Durability: the robust plastic handle resists cracking, and the microfiber pad sustains its cleaning effectiveness even after multiple washes. The combination's quality materials ensure it holds up against frequent, rigorous cleaning tasks, offering consistent performance over time. A clean windshield is key to safe driving, and having the right windshield cleaner tool makes all the difference. From the RainX cleaning tool's specialized microfiber pads to Chemical Guy's precision design, each of these top 5 tools delivers reliable, streak-free cleaning that saves you time and effort. Investing in one of these trusted tools means better visibility, safer drives, and a windshield that stays crystal clear no matter the conditions. Keep your views spotless and drive confidently every day.